SANDBOX. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to show you how I am getting ready for a reception party. So without a further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, please excuse my voice. I have a throat issue now. So guys, I have a clean face now. I didn't apply anything. Now I'm going to apply this Nivea cream on my face as a moisturizer. For the primer, I am using this Patanjali aloe vera gel. It gives a nice flawless base to your makeup. We'll apply on the T-zone areas where I have open pores. Now I am applying a lip balm. To my lips. Next, I am going to apply this DIY concealer on my eyelid. If you haven't checked out my DIY concealer video yet, to check out. Concealer will help to set your base. I will blend it. Next time, applying my L18 kajal onto my eyelid as an eye base for my smokey eyes. I didn't apply foundation first because I'm doing my smokey eyes, so might be there will be any fallout or something. You don't need to be precise while applying kajal. Now I will this is my kajal. Now I'm simply going to blend it with my hands only. I don't usually use any brush because hands give warmth. Okay, so I have applied the kajal as the base, as you can see. Now I'll apply foundation over it. I had this eyeshadow palette of Miss Rose eyeshadow palette. It has 10 shades, so I'm taking this black shade on my middle finger. As you can see, it's so pigmented, and will apply onto my eyelid. Actually, it's a shimmer black shade, so it looked a little bit grey. I'll apply it on my both eyes. I rarely use brushes. And even I don't use any transition shade. I like it this way. Okay, so my eyes is done. I'm not going to apply any liner over it. Or instead of that, I'm using a mascara. This is the Blue Heaven ICU mascara plus liner. It has this liner over here, as you can see. A mascara like this. So I'm just topping it up with the mascara. I'm just applying 2 coats of it. It's a very nice mascara. It gives my eyelashes a fuller look. Okay, so after applying mascara, I'm just taking this wand and applying onto my eyebrows. We'll give a little popping shape. I didn't dip it into the mascara. The remaining mascara with the wand is sufficient. Yeah, my eyebrows are also done. Done with my eye makeup. Now I'm going towards my face makeup. For that, I'm using the foundation. It's from Blue Heaven. It's the Blue Heaven X Factor All-in-One Beauty Basic Foundation. Instant glow whitening with sunscreen. So my shade is, I don't know what shade is. Natural beige. So it comes like this. This is the inner packaging of it, and it comes into a pump format. So I am taking a little bit of product and I am taking brush, just depicting it, and will apply all over my face. Okay, so my foundation is set now, as you can see. Now I will move on to the concealer, because I only have a concealer, which I am going to apply under my eyes. And blend it using my fingers only. Next, I am going to apply the same concealer where I have my pigmentations on my face. Around my mouth and blend it thoroughly. Okay, so next I'm going to set my face with this Blue Heaven, what's that, Artisto Face Stylist Compressed Powder. Sorry, my voice is so weird. It's in the shade Natural Beige again. So now my face is set. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush. It's from ADS. Okay, so I don't use any highlighter onto my face. So I'm just going to take this golden shade from this palette, applying it outwards of my cheek. It's so pigmented, guys. As you can see, so my makeup is done. I'm just going to apply a lipstick. For that, I'm using this L18 matte lipstick in the shade R32 Rockstar Red. I just love red lipsticks. It's about to finish, guys. not a matte lipstick guys, it's a semi-matte lipstick, so it's perfect for winters. Yeah guys, this is my final look. That's it for this video guys. Hope you liked my makeup and this video. If did, then hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.